heck are they doing?
Wait, where are you going? The exit's over there.
Well, I have to save my...
What kind of knight are you?
One of a kind.
Stop! What's this one? Crabs is, Huh? Crabs is,
Do you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Well, sometimes, but not recently.
Hi, Garbage Man. Hi, SpongeBob.
Hi, Patrick. Hey, Patrick, do you know what this word means?
Crabs. Isn't that the red, sweaty guy you work for?
Nuh-uh, not that word. That word.
Oh, hey, I think I know what that means. That's one of those sentence enhancers.
Sentence enhancers?
You use them when you want to talk fancy. You just sprinkle it over anything you say and level! You got yourself a spicy sentence sandwich.
Oh, I get it. Let me try. Ahem. Hello, Patrick. Lovely day we're having, isn't it?
Why, yes it is, SpongeBob. This day is particularly lovely.
How right you are, Patrick. Ooh, you're right, Patrick. My lips are tingling from the spiciness of this conversation.
Yeah, mine too.
It tingles when I laugh. Hello, customers. Nice day we're having, huh?
Did he just say, aye, he did?
Hey, Patrick, how the are you?
Pretty good, SpongeBob.
Back off! No, you back off! This is my swamp!
Our swamp!
Let go, donkey!
You let go.
Stubborn!
Smelly ogre!
Fine!
Again, you lose.
Ooh, escalators, escalators, escalators! Ha! Escalators!
Eels. You said number 11.
I didn't mean, you gotta understand, Patrick, I was trying, what I meant to say, some things just slip out. You gotta understand.
Don't worry, SpongeBob, I understand. Mr. Krabs! Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs!
Patrick! Patrick, no, please don't tell!
But you said...
Now I'm gonna tell Mr. Krabs on you!
Not if I tell first!
Oh, come here, you!
All right, don't get all sloppy. No one likes to...
We're giving you freedom!
Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs!
He said that word, and you said no, number 13,
Now I'm gonna let go of your lips. And when I do, I want you to calmly tell me what yous need to tell me. Understand?
Mm-hmm. He said...
Do my ears deceive me? You two should be ashamed. Time to take out the trash. You two need to be taught a lesson. I thought I made it clear. Never, and I mean never, use number 11 or any of the 13 bad words. Now the both of yous wait right here. I'll be back.
What's gonna happen to us?
We'll probably get 40 lashes.
Oh, no!
I'm sorry, Patrick. Mr. Krabs is right. There's no need for words like that.
I'm sorry too, SpongeBob.
Let's make a vow, Patrick. From this day forth, a foul word shall never pass our lips. We will be good citizens, just like good old Mr. Krabs.
Agreed!
All right, you two foul mouth.
Optimus Prime.
Get rid of him! Get him off of there!